Hey guys, welcome back to the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild, and today we're going to be cooking grapefruit honey tacos. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, we're going to take a pork tenderloin, and I've trimmed off some of the excess fat already, and we're just going to get decent sized chunks out of this, and we're going to go straight into a Ziploc bag to get a marinade going. So we'll just get this out of the way. All right, we've got our pork cut up, and then we're just gonna go straight into a bag, set that aside until this marinade is finished. All right, and now the marinade, we're just gonna take 3 grapefruits. We're gonna go directly into a processor. So this should yield about a cup of grapefruit juice. And it doesn't matter if the seeds get in there, we'll just be a little extra flavor for it. We're not cooking the seeds, we're just marinating. All right, we got the grapefruit juice in there. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of ginger. Then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, we're gonna do about a 1/3 cup of this Firebee Spicy Honey. And then we'll do 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. All right, and then give that a blend. All right, and then we're gonna go directly into the bag with this marinade. Let it sit in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes. And then we should be ready to cook. Okay, while that's marinating, we're gonna get the garnishes ready. So we're gonna take half an avocado, because we're gonna be making about 4 tacos out of this. Don't need too much. Slice that. We'll do some chives for a little bit of crunch. We're gonna do some shredded red cabbage. It's pretty thin. And like I said, 4 tacos, so we don't really need that much. Set that aside. All right, next is radishes, and we're gonna get that sliced up pretty thin as well. You almost wanna be able to see through them. And then lastly, we're gonna do some cilantro. Don't need to get those super fine. I'm just gonna cut them up a little bit. And there we go, we're ready to roll. All right, meat's done being marinated. We're gonna throw this on a high heat on our Steelmade, just a little bit of oil. We're gonna go directly on there. We're gonna let that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until brown. Okay, and while the meat's cooking, we can get our tortillas rolling. We're just gonna throw a little bit of butter down. Get those nice and toasted off. Okay, meat's looking done. We're gonna pull that off and just set that to the side. Finish up these tortillas, and then we'll be ready to plate. Okay, tortillas are finished up. So to construct this, we're just gonna go pork down first. Nice little bed of pork. All right, next we'll do a little bit of shredded cabbage on top. All right, those radishes that we sliced super thin earlier, chives. We'll do about 2 avocados per taco. And then top with cilantro. And there you have it, that's our grapefruit honey tacos. Thanks for joining us in the Steelmade Test Kitchen. I'm Josh Wild. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.